Before a problem can be resolved, it needs to be clearly stated. A clearly defined problem is easier to solve than an ambiguous one. For example, if someone reports the problem, "I can't print," a troubleshooter might spend time trying to understand what is wrong with the printer when the actual issue is that the user was unable to figure out where the print command was located within a new piece of software. A more useful and complete problem statement would be, "When I try to print a spreadsheet from my computer, no paper comes out of the printer."